I'm Christopher. I'm an engineer and a nonprofit founder, as well as a translator in middle schools, a Spanish translator in middle schools. I started to take Joanne's class to learn how to sing, to worship, and improve my voice. Coming in, I'd never sang in a formal context previously, and I like to sing in the car and in the shower and in places people can't see me. As a result of taking Joanne's class, I became more aware of my body. I became able to sing entire songs. I loved singing maybe 15 or 30 seconds, but I started to develop endurance with my breath and my voice to be able to sing full songs. I did a performance. I did my first public performance, performed a couple of songs. That was really fun. I memorized the song that I was singing, so I learned a couple verses. All that was entirely new. Yeah, I just felt like as I came out of individual classes, I was encouraged. It was a supportive class environment where I could build up some of my confidence because I'd just never gone into a place where people used all the music lingo. I don't know, the things I didn't know. And then just enough information that it wasn't overwhelming, so I could take something practical into my practice sessions for the week.
This gift of love and righteousness, scorned by the ones who came to save, till on that